Hi, this is Ted from Teddy V Photos. My last bag came in. And again, Filson's been having a sale, so I've been excited about this. And this is the Filson Medium Rugged Twill Field Bag. I've been looking at this bag for over probably a year and a half, almost 2 years. I had something similar to this in the past, whether it was from Think Tank and some of their retrospective bags that were somewhat similar to this concept, and also into the company out of, I want to say Taiwan or Hong Kong. I can't think of the name of the bag, but it'll come to me. If not, I'll put it down here. But they remind me of the old military bags like you see here. All right, and this one is a cool bag, and it's a medium field bag, but I didn't really buy it for carrying anything. It was specifically for photography, and I'll show you why in a second. So first thing that pops out at you is the beautiful leather, the bridle leather. It's beautiful. The brass. And then the strap. This is what I talked about in earlier reviews when I was talking about the bridle leather strap. It's beautiful. I can't wait for it to break in. And it's so great. They're out of stock. Inside you've got 2 different pouches here, and they're pleated so they could have some expansion. And then the inside is just one big opening, and you'll say, Ted, what are you going to use that for? Well, I'm going to use this for photography. And what I'm going to do is inside here, I'm going to place basically a camera cube, some type of padded device. And that's what I'm going to do. 2 things that popped in my mind. First one is one of the bags I have from Nanook, which is right here. And basically it zips up, but I don't need that. And this is the Nanook 13S. But you notice it's long enough and it's wide enough to go inside the bag. Or before buying the Nanook stuff, I was doing the Peak Design. Peak Design will actually fit a little bit better, and it's a little bit taller. So I'm going to play with both. But what I'm going to basically do is I'm going to take it, like you see here, I'm going to place it inside here. Take the cover, put it on the back side of it, fold it under, and now I have a camera bag inside a Filson bag. Now, I like to say I was smart and I figured this out all by myself, but to be honest with you, I thought this might work, and then about maybe a month or 2 ago, I saw somebody on YouTube that actually had done what I had thought about, and specifically put a Peak Design bag in there. And he had it sectioned up. I want to believe the guy's name is David. So I saw that. I was like, interesting. And that's what made me really think about doing it. So I'm going to play with this a little bit. I'm going to carry it around. I'm going to do a little street photography. And then I'll get back with you guys and let you know what I think. So again, this is the Filson Medium Rugged Twill Field Bag. And it's 13 liters. Correction, it's 14 liters. Interesting, I didn't know it was 14 liters. Another great bag, and this leather is awesome, as you can see. Well, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe so you can see more of my adventures, whether it's unbagging, unboxing, and or my travels. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.